Okay, hello dear friends. Good evening. Such a beautiful, beautiful evening. Friday evening, our last night in Napoli, and just during our trip, my family said maybe we should go to see the opera house theater. So we look for the ticket, and finally we got ticket. We are very lucky. So we came to this place. And this place, teatro, the San Carlo, was built in 1733. And it was one of the most beautiful, grandiose, and stunning architecture at that time. And this opera house, this theater, was actually the very first that designed like this, and it was used as model for many other theaters, opera house. And very lucky, 5, 6, 7 years ago, we have been to Scala in Milan. And we have also, I think 2 years ago, maybe last year, we went to Venice. And we went to the Venice theater. And this one is definitely taller, bigger, and more stunning. So this theater was built in 1737, and it's been through a lot of things. It's been through the war, World War II. It's been through the fire. It's been, it's been through a lot of things. And at the 2009, the theater is starting to be kind of deteriorating and getting old. And they renovated. And now what we see is this beautiful and absolutely stunning theater. And we watched the ballet performance. And there are 3 little ballet chapters. The very first was classical ballet. And the second is Debussy, is lively and vivant, a little bit modern. And the third one is also lively, vivant. The second one is not lively, vivant. It's very expressive. It's a modern ballet. The third one is a group of young people in the beach and having fun, enjoy. Oh my goodness, looking at ballet, looking for ballet performance is just beautiful. It's uplifting. And you see the beauty of the beauty of human body, the beauty of human expression, and the beauty of human physique. So skinny, so thin, ballerina, and step on their tiptoe and dance this most dramatic movement, swirling, turning, jumping. It's just so beautiful, so beautiful. So I think in Napoli there is one thing because we were in a tourist area, and there are every street sell pizza, sell food, sell products, sell clothes, sell bags. And finally we come to this place that has nothing to do with our material desire. It's so spiritual. And I feel there is dream. Still there is dream there. There is a still dream in this world. It's beautiful. And we end up, and we pass by the Spanish Quarter, and I have been there. I have done an outfit of the day, and now there was nobody. It's 10, 11 o'clock in the evening. I think 10 o'clock in the evening. Not too many people, not too much crowd. So my family did an outfit of the day for me. And on our way to the theater, I saw there is a big slogan, and it says, "The most beautiful metro in the world." And just at this time, my family said, we can take metro, take subway. So we took subway. I was actually quite surprised. The Italian, they have a very unique sense of aesthetic. And maybe because they have so much history, they have so much antiquity, and this steel and iron structure looks quite different, quite unique, quite modern. I do not totally, absolutely agree with this kind of aesthetic, but I do appreciate. And we end up, we went to a pizza place. As we line up, the seller stopped us in front of our face. This is the last one. We are closed. So we are refused in front of it. And the last one, we were quite disappointed. And because this is the last night, we want to try something. Try that famous pizza. So we went to another pizza store, and then came back home, and that's about it. Our last day, last night in Napoli, and in the most beautiful historical teatro, San Carlo. Beautiful. I love it. Bye bye, friends. I love you. I really do. Do. Go bye bye.